In today's video, I am going to teach you how to measure pips and points in Tradingview. By the end, you'll be able to quickly gauge how far price has moved and speak confidently about pips and points. Whether you trade Forex, indices, or other markets, first, open your charts. Choose the symbol and time frame you want to analyze so you are looking at the exact move you care about. The clearer your chart view, the easier it is to measure accurately. So feel free to zoom in on the section you plan to measure. To measure pips and points in Tradingview, use the ruler tool. You'll find it on the left toolbar, or you can access it even faster by holding Shift and clicking on the chart. With the ruler active, click where you want to start measuring. Then drag to the end of the move. A small pop-up will appear next to your cursor showing the distance, the percentage change, and the number of bars covered. This lets you see not only how far price moved, but also how long it took in terms of candles. If you need to refine your selection, just keep the mouse held down and adjust the start or end point until it covers the exact swing you are analyzing. Here is how to interpret the results for Forex. 1 pip is generally the fourth decimal place, which is 0.0001. So if a currency pair moves from 1.1000 to 1.1010, that's a 10 pip move. For JPY pairs, the pip is the second decimal place, or 0.01. So a shift from 150.00 to 150.50 on a JPY pair counts as 50 pips. The ruler's readout helps you see the raw price change and the percentage. Pairing that with your knowledge of which decimal is the pip makes fast mental conversions much easier. If you see extra tiny decimals on your platform, remember those are fractional units. But the standard pip is still at the fourth decimal for most Forex pairs and the second for JPY crosses. For other markets, think in terms of points, which are simply the raw unit change in price. On indices, for example, a move from 4,500 to 4,515 is a 15-point move. The same ruler tool shows you that distance directly, along with the percentage and bars, so you don't need a separate process. A couple of quick tips as you measure. Zoom in for precision, drag from wick to wick if you want the full swing, or body to body if you prefer conservative measurements. And if you make a mistake, simply release, press ESC, and try again. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.